Today is the day. Today is 12/12/12, December 12th, 2012, a very important day. And tonight we're having a special service at our church called 12/12/12, where we're going over the vision of our church. It's going to be awesome. First, we're going to start off with some Christmas carols. We'll be singing and having a great Christmas atmosphere. And then we got some vision to share with you. And then at the end, we've got some refreshments and some fellowship. Come on out tonight. It's going to be amazing. Every single campus of Church of the Heartland, make it there. It's going to be great. Service times will be on the crawl right after the end of this video. Please, please, make this a priority. If you call Church of the Heartland your home church, I'd love to see you tonight. God bless you.